Hello all my cuties. My name is Tinh Thị Thanh Mai. I am professional tour designer and the best international tour guide in Vietnam. Today I don't take of you to visit famous destination. Today I will share for of you one of my favorite salads which I like to eat every day. This kind of special salads will help of you lose weight but your skin still beautiful. When of you go on a diet, your body will become slimmer and your skin will become worse. But when of you eat this salad, all of you can maintain your body sexy but your skin still look fresh, youthful and lovely. If all of you also want to know how can we make this salad, please follow me. Now I would like to share for all of you the ingredient. The ingredient to make this salad is really simple. This is very clean salad vegetables. This salad vegetable is planted by me inside my garden. We call this salad vegetable is organic salad. Let's see other ingredients include what? This is cucumber. We need to remove skin. Then you need to cut similar like I cut. We have fresh tomato. You need to remove all seed because tomato seeds won't good for our stomach. Next ingredient is cooked chicken meat. We need to cook and put all spicy which can help chicken meat become tastier. We also boil egg and remove egg skins and cut it become smaller pieces similar like which I cut. Let's see next ingredient. This is apple. We can buy this American apple inside supermarket. This apple is sweet, crispy. We also remove skin and cut it to become smaller pieces. And the most important ingredient is pepper sauce. This is Japanese dressing roasted sesame. This sauce is selling inside supermarkets. We can buy this sauce inside Bách Hóa Xanh, Coopmart or a lot of local stores. This sauce is very delicious. We can mix this sauce with any kind of salads. This dressing roasted sesame sauce is my favorite. Now all of you will look how I mix this salad to become delicious salads. This salad is really healthy, especially when all of you eat this salad. All of you can go on diet and maintain your body shape look great. This salad can help your body sexy, but all of you still maintain your skin beautiful. All of you should eat this salad. This salad has wonderful vegetables and egg, chicken meat are great for going on the diet. They won't make you get fat. Now please look, I will make all ingredients. We put organic salad vegetables inside yellow bowls. You need to wash salad vegetables 1 hour before you mix, so that salad vegetables will become dry. You can mix how many grams of vegetables, it's up to you. I love to eat organic vegetables. I put it inside refrigerator, but I didn't know that my refrigerator was too cold. My salad vegetables were destroyed soon. Now I need to mix cucumber. How many you want to eat, you put inside. Now I put tomatoes. Put apple inside too. Now I put chicken meat. If all of you want, all of you also can put sauces. Normally, I put sauces together. Inside my refrigerator has a lot of sauces. But today, I think all the ingredients are enough. Now we start to mix. We can put boiled egg later. I think I should put all cucumber inside. We need to put the dressing roasted sesame sauce. This sauce is the most important. We open the cover and start to pour inside the mixtures. You can pour how many liters of sauces, it's up to you. Now we will mix all ingredients with sauces. You need to mix them well. If all you have plastic gloves, all you can mix all ingredients easier. But I don't have plastic gloves anymore. I was so busy, I didn't have time to buy. But I have to say that I really forget to buy plastic gloves. Today I really want to eat salad, so I make it. So I have no choice. I'm using spoon and chopstick to mix. If we eat this salad, it's very delicious and it's also good for your health. Or you can maintain your perfect skin and keep your body slim and sexy. Last step. Do you know what should we do? Later, we will mix all ingredients well with sauce. We also need to put boiled egg pieces on the top. Now I will put egg on the top. I love to eat egg. Now we have great salads. This salad is easy to make. You can make at your home anytime you want. I wish all of you has great health, especially all of you have sexy body and sexy and nice skin. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channels. See all of you again in other videos from my With Loves. Hello all my cute friends. My name is Dinh Thị Thanh Mai. I am professional tour designer and the best international tour guide in Vietnam. Today, I will feel very happy to become all of your beautiful tour guide. They are famous destination Hạ Long Bay in the north of Vietnam, and it's also one of the top 3 the most famous destination for tourists in the world. Ha Long Bay is really famous, but today I will take all of you visit Ta Dong destination. This destination is considered like second Ha Long Bay in Central Highland of Vietnam. This destination is known as a wonderful new destination when tourists can have great experience. Let's travel with me.